go back out to the left. Even though it's going to rain, I'm going to have to coop you guys again. He has to go back out. Because otherwise, he's going to be just all full of it.